Hello, how you doing? So today we're gonna make baked beans, Philadelphia cheese, Dorito tortillas, really lovely. We're gonna make the beans really nice and creamy with the Philly. I've got a bit of Philly on the top there, nice bit of salad, some lovely spices. Doesn't take long, it's delicious. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, you ready? So we've got 1 can, regular can of baked beans, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. I'm using a Philadelphia. 1 teaspoon here, chili powder, cumin, oregano, and there I've got some paprika. That's a smoked paprika. Smoked paprika is delicious. If you can get that, fantastic. If not, get the sweet one. Or if you want, you can buy one of those kind of taco seasoning packets. They've got that in, plus some other stuff you don't really want, to be honest, but you could do that. 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon each salt and pepper, and then here I've got roughly equal parts of bell pepper, tomato, and onion. So that's 1 tomato there. 1 tomato just there, very easy. We're gonna start this off with a little bit of olive oil. It's gonna be delicious. So frying pan, olive oil. I'm gonna drop in that little bit of onion that's cut nice and small. Tablespoon of garlic. And salt and pepper, about a teaspoon each. High heat, 3 minutes. See you then. Super easy. Next up, let's drop that 1 tomato in. Try and use a ripe tomato if you can. Let's get those bell peppers in. I'm just using green, but you could use different colors if you want. And then our spices, let's take a look again. 1 teaspoon each, smoked paprika, oregano, cumin, and chili powder. In it goes. About another 3 minutes on this high heat. Keep it moving and stir it often now because we've got our spices in there. Easy as can be. Right, we're going to drop the heat down to below medium now. We're going to drop our beans in, 1 can of beans. I prefer to use Heinz, but that's up to you. You can use whichever brand you like. And then 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Like I said, I'm using a Philly. I'm just going to work this in for about 3 or 4 minutes. Off goes the heat, beautiful. Our beans are done. So I've got a metal tray here. You can use ceramic or glass, whatever you like really, just something that can go in the oven. And I've got some tortilla chips in there. Now I've got 50% Doritos and 50% plain. And again, if you want to use just plain or Doritos, or different flavored, Doritos, you can get a kind of spicy one or something, whatever flavors they do. Right, we're going to get our beans. We're going to pour them over. Now get your oven on full blast, like as high as it can, maximum heat. Get it on there. Trying to mix these around just a bit. Yeah, we're going to pop this in the oven for a few minutes. Now I've got some cheddar cheese, that's going over. Put some mozzarella on if you want. I just like the cheddar. This is a kind of medium strength cheddar cheese. This is going to go in the oven, my oven, for about 12 to 15 minutes. All ovens are different, aren't they? But yeah, I just want to get that cheese melted down there. Fabulous, my kids love this. So while our beans and chips are in the oven, just have a little look at this. I've got roughly equal parts there, you can see, of nicely cut tomato, cucumber, onion, cilantro or coriander, and a little bit of olive oil. Simply going to give that a mix. Tomatoes in, Cucumbers in. Onion. Cilantro. You can get a little bit of sort of jalapeno in there if you want now. And then olive oil. Maybe a touch of salt and pepper for me, no need. Little mix, that's done. This is going to go on top once this comes out of the oven. Piping hot, straight out the oven, nice and golden brown. That's just how I like it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our lovely salad and get that all over. Let me tip it all on, then mix it all around. Fantastic stuff. Now, sour cream, no. We're going to go with some more Philadelphia. So I've just got a couple of teaspoons here. Knock it out there. Pick it up, knock it out. And that's it. Beautiful stuff. Nice and easy. Yeah, and play around with it. Get what you want in there. Get a bit of avo in there if you want a bit of avocado. Get a bit of some olives in there maybe. Jalapenos. Up to you. One more, I think. That's it. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.